You guys ready to go through the 2026 Della Terra 251RD? Let's do it. All right, everybody, Tony with the Referral Auto Group, taking you through a 2026 East to West Della Terra 251RD. It's an amazing floor plan with a big, huge rear booth, pass-through bathroom, 2 entrance doors, king-size bed. But let's jump into some of the specs. Now, coming out and check it out, because this is only the second one of the Della Terra videos that I've done, so I might miss something, and it's definitely worth a look. The exterior look of this thing is probably the best looking travel trailer, in my opinion, that we have on the entire lot. So let's jump into some specs. We're 29 foot 10 inches in overall length, weigh approximately 6,400 pounds, unloaded with a GVW of 7,685 pounds. We haul 40 gallons of fresh water, 60 gallons in our gray, 40 gallons in our black. We have a tankless water heater that's on-demand, never-ending hot water, and comfortable sleeping for up to 4 people. Now let's start with some of the features. Up here in front, we have our nice smooth aluminum front nose cap coming down to our diamond plate rock guard, protects it from anything bouncing up off the roadways. In front of that will sit your complimentary deep cycle battery, which we include on every RV that we sell, plus 5-gallon 20-pound LP tanks, 2 of them. Those will also come full, free of charge at pickup. We have our front power tongue jack. We have power tongue jacks on all 4 corners of this. Just a touch of a button, they go down, they equalize. They're not scissor jacks. They're more of the penguin type that I call it, and they're pigeon toe against each other to hold this thing very, very stable. Behind this door, and I'm actually going to open it up so you can see, but it's also in the pictures, we have a lot of controls. And what's really cool is we have a slide out switch that you can activate from out here. There's your solar charge controller to control the panel up on the roof that's already factory installed. You got onboard solar. There's your battery disconnect, outdoor shower with hot and cold. You have some 110 plugs, city water connection, and your cable and satellite. There's your fresh tank fill. We have our plug going up onto the roof. We're prepped for slide toppers. We'll walk around. We have 15-inch wheels and tires. Normally on a trailer this size, a lot of manufacturers will scrimp and put 14-inch. These are full 15-inch wheels and tires. There's your large rear window, which allows you to back up to whatever you want to see. We're prepped for the rear observation camera. Now, the rear observation camera is not a backup camera. Anytime you turn on your marker lights, you get a view of behind your trailer. If you choose to put bikes back here, you can watch them fall off. I only say that because I've done it twice, and I've only hauled bikes twice. So needless to say, I don't haul bikes anymore. This is prepped for a ladder. Here's our power awning with our LED light strip up against the side of the coach, so you can have the awning fully retracted and still utilize that light and get plenty of it. There's your first entrance door with your more ride step above steps going up in it. And there's your second one that goes right into your bedroom. Now that's pretty cool because I've had this floor plan before, and you're going to see what I'm talking about when I go inside. But you could get trapped in the bedroom if someone decided to start using the restroom, if you had people traveling with you before you got up, if you didn't have that door. So pretty cool. There's your tankless water heater, your furnace. There's your 15-inch black steel wheels, which I really like with the exterior scheme that they have on this. So let's go inside. Up on the roof, we have our central inducted AC unit. We have our off-air high definition TV antenna, which you'll see playing in here. We get about 60 channels of crystal clear TV. At this location, it's going to vary by location, but it's pretty cool. It's free TV. There's your full wraparound booth, which makes into an auxiliary bed. Look at the windows wrapping this, and these are framed windows, which means you get a 50% opening in all windows. As I turn, we have theater seating, so these are recliners. Your 12-volt refrigerator, nice residential style, 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Turning a little bit more, I love the decor in here. It's bright, it's happy. There's your fireplace for auxiliary heating. There's your TV working off of that antenna. So that is 100% free TV. Nice solid surface countertops with a backsplash that pretty much matches. Usually it's some corny, weird design that gives you a headache, but it actually matches. We have full privacy doors. Nice hard hinge doors. We're going to go into the bathroom. We have our vanity here, which is residential height with lots of cabinets and storage. As we walk through, I'm not going to give you a glimpse of that king-size bed yet. We have our porcelain toilet and shower with a retractable disappearing shower door. Here's your king-size bed with plenty of room to walk all the way around it. Your emergency escape window cabinets all the way up and over. And then there's your other exit or entrance door. So pretty darn cool. All right. Now, this is prepped for your second air conditioner. This has a 50 amp service. Here's the control for your tankless on-demand water heater for all of your power, temperature. There's the sticker that says so. All right, walking through, I'm gonna pan around out here. This is an amazing floor plan. Tons of windows, tons and tons of windows. Look at that rear booth. Talk about having tall relatives or friends. They'll definitely have a bed that they won't need to sleep in the fetal position. That's good news and bad news. They're not gonna leave after one night. Usually if you can make them uncomfortable, they leave. But if you like them, then you want them to stick around. There's your fireplace and your TV again, your oven and your 3-burner cooktop, one large stainless steel sink. But we're gonna look at it, see if I just lied to you, and I didn't. How do you like that? All right, let's go back outside and kind of recap what we just saw. I'm gonna spin one more time. Don't get dizzy, don't get dizzy. All right, and let's go outside. Big 13-inch top step to start. And there's Paul standing over there supervising, making sure I'm getting this right. All right, everybody, this is our 2026 East to West Della Terra 251RD. We are 29 foot 10 inches in overall length. That is from coupler to bumper, not including the spare tire. So if you're that close, let's measure. We're about 6,400 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 7,685 pounds. We have 40 gallons of fresh water, 60 gallons in our gray, and 40 gallons in our black. Tankless water heater. We have solar on the roof. We have one air conditioner, but prepped for 2. We have our front smooth aluminum rolled exterior here. Our high definition off-air antenna up there on the roof. I'm backing up here because I'm second guessing what I told you about a single air. Yep, single air on this one. We have our slide switches, enclosed underbelly. Keep all your tanks warm, protected, rodent-free. 15-inch wheels and tires. All power jacks in the corners and on the tongue. 2 propane tanks, power awning. Come check it out. 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. As always, we are not strong-arm salespeople. We're not going to hustle and hassle you till you buy. We're going to educate you and leave that buying decision completely up to you. If you find that hard to believe, come on out. Let me know if you feel anything different. My name is Tony. I'm the owner. If you've been out, then you know it's true. We also have on-site parts, financing, and service. We can outfit your tow vehicle to tow any of these safely down the road, whether it be fifth wheel, tow behind. We can do it. So come on out and check us out, 209-404-2200. As always, thanks for watching. We look forward to meeting you.